break down drill number 1. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6 and 7, back on 8. Breaking it down, I'm going right leg first, and 1, circling around, 7, 8, and 1. Right on 1, that's when my leg is back, and if you can snap it back, that'll give you that pop, okay? So 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. After the 3, you're here, and you're gonna go 4. Your hip's gonna slowly go around 4, and you're gonna go and 5. Watch the and 5. Right here, when I do this here, instead of coming back and having your feet here, you're gonna go and 5. You see how the foot turns? This is like a heel-toe pivot, okay? You're doing a heel-toe pivot with that knee roll, okay? So, one more time. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6. Now you're going to reverse it. And 7, come back. So you're doing a heel-toe pivot coming back with that inside knee roll, okay? So that's a good 1-8 count for a good drill for your boogaloo rolls. Single leg boogaloo rolls. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's move the other side. So now we're going to start with the left leg. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So obviously now you're going to do the heel toe opposite side. Okay? I'm rotating my left knee and spin. As I spin here, boom. Now I got to watch. I was pitting on the right heel. And then when I reverse it, come back. Okay? So let's try one more time that side. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Here we go with music. 2-8 count. 1-8 count right side, 1-8 count left side. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 2, 4, 6. Okay, guys, keep practicing that. It's going to help you with your rolls inside and some outside. All right, drill that one. Once you're ready, go to drill number 2, and I'll see you there. Okay, guys, drill number 2. I'm very excited about drill number 2 because this is The Old Man, taught to me by Skeeter Rabbit and Poppin' Pete, created by Boogaloo Sand. Now, check it out. This is The Old Man. I'm going to start over here. It's a traveling move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. There's different variations, but this is one of the variations that the electric boogaloos do, and I really love this move. So I'm going to show it to you guys. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. This is a kick out. That part is a kick out. Okay. If you listen to Pete talk about how Sam discovered it, you know, I'm not going to get right into it, but that's the kick out. So remember that. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Right on the 2, notice how my hip is already slanted to the side. So it's not 1, 2. I'm not standing here on the 2. I'm going 1, 2. Now body's leaning to one side. My right knee's bent towards the inside of my body. Right shoulder's dropping to the right side. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. From here I'm going 3. So coming around, I'm doing like I want you to imagine if you're like a boxer, you know how they go under the rope? Under the rope. That's the same visual I want you guys to see. So you got 1, 2, 3 right here, and 4, okay? So as you go around, 3 coming up, you're coming up, my hip is going forward, and you're gonna catch, because now I'm leaning to my left side, and you're gonna go shift, shift. Your weight's gonna shift. So upper body stays, head stays still while the lower body moves. Does it make sense? So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Coming up on 3, 3, and 4. All right. So notice 4 and 2 is the same thing. 2 is here, 4 is here. I just traveled, okay? So 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 5 and 6 is the same as 3 and 4. I just repeated 2 times. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then right on 7, I come up, and this time, boom, I just hold the pose right here, pop my left knee back, boom, get a nice pose, get a nice pop right on that 8 and hold it nice and still, okay? So, try one more time, from the top, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know I kind of got out of the frame there. I'm gonna take smaller steps so you guys see the whole thing. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Hopefully I didn't get too far out, but you guys see what I'm talking about, okay? So that's the old man going from my right to my left. And obviously, we gotta get both sides, all right? So let's get to the other side. Kick out with the right leg, boom, back, that's the 2, 7, 8, 1, 2. Same thing, hips gotta drop in, chest down, or shoulders to the side, lean on 3, come back on 3 and 4. Okay, one more time, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Repeat it, 5 and 6, and I'm out of frame. Okay, let's try it one more time. Slower, smaller steps so you guys can see. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Lean again, I'll come up on 7, leg up, boom, hit that pose on the 8, okay? One more time, I'm gonna go from left to right. Practice with me. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay. There's another version which is basically the same, but you're adding the head roll to it. Skeeter Rabbit's really, really good with this. So I'm gonna try it. And again, drop it down in the comment below if you've seen this, if there's a different way to teach it. If you have a different variation with it, let me know, let the community know where you've seen it. If this is one of your favorite moves, definitely one of my favorite moves. Old man, electric boogaloo style. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we're gonna hold it. Next 8 count. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I was saying back and forth, Skeeter Rabbit would add the head roll. He would go 1, 2, from here, boom, he would do it, and 3, 4. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. That quick head roll, okay? So to me, that's more of an advanced, intermediate to advanced move. So if you had the first version and you'd like to try the second version with the head roll, go ahead and give it a try. Drop a comment down below. Let me know where you're at with it. For me, when I first did it, obviously, the control, the stability, because the movement is kind of quick, it's easy to lose your equilibrium. But give it a try. It's a really cool thing to do. Okay, let's try with music, guys. Here we go, with music. We're gonna first go from my right to left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, and 6. Ha! That's your 8. Okay? So rewind it, repeat it, get both sides down good. Old man. Okay guys, I want to thank you guys for joining me today with our Boogaloo tutorial. And again, I want to thank my big brothers, the Electric Boogaloos, Skeeter Rabbit, Pop and Pete, the whole Electric Boogaloo family clan. I know there's a lot of people out there that are influenced by the Electric Boogaloos. All the funk stylists, let's get together, build each other up. Drop a comment down below, give me a like if this helps you, if you want to be part of this community. Love to get connected with you guys. Until next time, I'm out.